What is up, you guys? It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm back, and I'm here for the denial of the day. Today, Patrick of Denver writes us, "We filed a claim, our first with the insurance company, over a damaged roof that needed replacing because of a storm. Shingles were literally falling off into the valleys of the pitched roof, exposing felt paper and nail heads. Upon the arrival of the insurance company, the claims analyst who brought a roof walker, one who actually walks the roof, documents damages, and takes pictures, the roof walker shares with the insurance company analyst, who never steps a foot on the roof, his findings. We were told there was no claim here, and the claim was denied." Let me ask you, if you went to the doctor's office and the doctor never came and actually saw the problem, but then makes a decision on behalf of your health. Not exactly the same, but very similar in regards to the person that's making the decision on if the claim is to be paid or not should be on the roof making that decision based from their own information. Pictures cannot do the same as a physical tactile inspection on the roof of your property. Somebody else explaining it cannot do the same as the person that's making the decision. If it's my property, I want the decision maker on the roof making the decision, okay? I want an adjuster, not a roof walker or a drone flying around. I want somebody that's actually making the decision on behalf of my property, at the property, on the roof, making that decision, okay? So, what I'm telling you is this, is if you have somebody on your property walking around it, on top of it, whatever it might be, making a decision that doesn't have the authority to make the decision, you're not gonna get very far. So these are the places where we can help you, right? Bellator Claims Resolution can help you with that. That's what we do. We fight on behalf of the property owner or the policyholder against the insurance company to get your claim paid fairly. We are licensed public insurance adjusters, okay? So we are licensed with the state to help you. So when you need help, if you need help now, if you're a contractor that knows your insured is getting screwed over, if you're a property manager, if you're a property owner, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.